We are innovators, and our mission is to provide a customer experience unparalleled in the world of signage. With instant online pricing, Australian-made products in 24 hours, customer support and design services 12 hours a day, along with round-the-clock manufacturing, we are revolutionising the printing industry. It's time for the Easy Signs experience. Introducing our vinyl mesh banners. Unlike others, we make ordering signage for construction sites and fencing a breeze with ultra-quick turnaround times. You can find instant pricing with bulk discounts from the comfort of your own home. You can also customise your vinyl mesh banner to suit your unique requirements, which ensures you receive a sign you are happy with. Supplying your print file is easy. You can drag and drop your print-ready artwork to our website. You can have our experienced team lay out a masterpiece for you within 60 minutes, or we make creation simple with our easy-to-use online design tool. You will then receive a link to our revolutionary online proofing centre. If changes are required, our design team will revise in an average of 30 minutes. Otherwise, you can approve the job at any time. Our customer automation technology will then transition your order to our production floor within minutes to ensure our lightning-fast production times are met. The key elements to an incredible vinyl mesh banner are print quality and usability. We use a 250 GSM material with a high 12 by 12 thread count. The perforations in the material allow the wind to pass through, ensuring your banner will be the best one on the block. Your vinyl mesh banner is printed using the highest quality latex inks that are UV and water resistant. The edges of your banner are finished using heat welding technology that fuses the material to itself to avoid stitch lines running through your design, creating an even stronger finish than traditional sewing. Once your banner is complete, we inspect every inch to ensure you receive a product we are proud of, carefully packed and ready to deliver anywhere in Australia. The future of printing has arrived. We've been waiting for you.